concept of control is an illusion, right? The more we learn to surrender to the flow, the more we learn to be present in the present moment, to be fully aware of what is in this moment, then the more we can accomplish in that moment, right? So yeah, there are things that we can do. We can write down lists, we can maintain short-term, long-term goals, we can regiment our life in a certain way, and yet things will come up that will put all that into haywire. How well are we, how flexible are we, and how well we are able to adapt to changing times, to changing situations, to changing circumstances, will indefinitely will at some point tell on how successful our life turns out. So yes, it's one thing to say that I'm in control of what's happening right now, but when I lose that control, how well am I able to adapt? That happens when you know who you are, when you know what your priorities are, when you know what's important to you, and when you know where your time needs to be spent. So for me, it's very simple. But I know maybe it's not, because I'm totally surrendered to the flow. I don't feel that I'm a human being that has A, B, C ambitions and I'm not working towards anything. What I'm doing is witnessing my life unfold. And I enjoy that because it's like watching a movie. Yes, it's one thing to say that, oh, I would like the hero and the heroine to be happy together. Yes, I would like my life to unfold in a nice way. I would like happy things to happen. But if it doesn't, it's just like, okay, 2 hours, you watch the movie, you can go away. You know, I'm not identified with who I am, and I'm not invested in the consequences of any of my actions. The more invested you are, the more unhappy you are. Because if it doesn't turn out the way you want it to, then your life is messed up.
I think that's a very beautiful point, Preeti, and I think there are a lot of these sentences I would love to write down as quotes for the future and to mull over later, especially about being in the present moment and being there completely, so that you get the present moment right, or you derive happiness out of that particular moment, and at least your past is not messed up. And if you can invest in every present moment, and I just remember this poem, if you can give, I can't, bad memory, but if you can give 60 seconds worth of distance run to every minute, so that's precisely what you're echoing as well, and it's really beautiful. And the other point about, you're not invested in yourself, in your future. I mean, that's again a very important point for all of us to reflect back on, I think, because it's true that we all want our lives to go in a particular way and we make a lot of effort. I mean, it's not wrong to do that. But the fact that, when it doesn't turn out to be, what we want it to be, do we have whatever it takes to ensure that, we're not bogged down by that, but we can quickly adapt and we move on to the next thing in life. So that's very beautifully articulated.
The one thing I would like to say is there is value in spontaneity. In this moment, it's something within you. There's a calling to do something that you don't usually do, that is not part of your routine. Please do that. Because spontaneous acts have value.
Yeah. I think we kind of forget that spontaneity or ignore that spontaneity as we become adults. If you look at children, they have this urge to go and do something else right in the middle of homework. And, we are the ones who bring them back and say that, you do this when they really don't want to. And I think as we grow up, we condition ourselves to ignore that urge for spontaneity and those little. So next time you feel like going and grabbing an ice cream, please go do that. Don't ignore that. Okay.
One thing I don't know if I'm, but one thing I would like to say is see the beauty in life. Life is a miracle. It's so beautiful. Watch the flower in bloom. There is so much beauty around us. When do we stop to see those things? When do we get so bogged down by routines that we become like automatons? No, life is beautiful. Life is a miracle. It's a gift. From the moment you're born to the moment you die, nothing is in your hands. But we can revel in that. It's such a joy to be alive. I'm getting blank faces.
No, they've become reflective, really. I mean, we're not used to, such deep ideas right in the middle of a Monday. So you should allow them back. You should allow them back. So. Thanks a lot. I think I don't know. I don't know how much time we have, but I think we should throw the floor open to questions, and I think